So good evening everyone. My name is Mohan Reddy. I'm the SAP FICO trainer. Like Telugu and English, both languages I'll teach. I'll explain in detail FICO all the topics. So then today I'm discussing about the few more interview questions. So as for SAP FICO consultant as well as the end user purpose. So let's go to the topic. So before that, I'm requesting you the people, you please subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is my YouTube channel. SAP FICO. Wait some time. So my YouTube channel name is SAP FICO Telugu and FICO Telugu and English. So here I am uploading each and every topic with detailed information, detailed explanation, and also I'll added the total information about the particular topics. Total information message I will update it in the description option. So as well as compared to other YouTube channels, I am providing one of the better opportunity to everyone. In each and every video, I added my mobile number. If anyone wants to require the particular topic related information, I'm ready to share. I'm ready to share like Excel or Word sheets. So the guys, you just please text the message to the WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number. Immediately, I'll send I'll send the particular related topic information, total information, step by step. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also please click on the bell icon. Then let's go to the today topic. Today I am discussing about few more interview questions. Previous video I already updated up to 50 1 to 50 interview questions for SAP FICO consultant. Then today I'm discussing about the one more 20 interview questions for as a SAP FICO consultant or end user. So then let's go for the interview questions. So then let's go to the interview questions. So then 51 question is, what are the other modules in SAP financial accounting in SAP FICO integrated? So the interview will asking what are the other modules it will be integrated in SAP FICO. Then the answer is the in SAP FICO. 1 minute. Then what are the other models into which financial accounting of SAP FICO integrated. So in SAP FICO model, the AMM other models integrated. So I'll explain. In SAP, the following modules are integrated, like sales and distribution, as well as production planning and material management, human resources and cost controlling nothing but CO, then controlling modules and other and manage the financial transactions. So the answer is in SAP FICO model it is the integrated with other modules. So those are sales and distribution like SD and production planning and PP and material management MM and human resources HR and controlling CO. So these are all other modules integrated with the SAP FICO. So this is the answer. So then let's go for the next question. What are the most important elements in SAP FICO? So sorry, SAP FI. So in SAP FICO and under the FI module. So in under the FI, there are number of important modules. There are number of important modules. So those are the important organization elements in SAP FICO FI are follows. Then functional area and business area and company code and chart of accounts. So why I'm telling this, these are the important elements in FI because of functional area. Functional area means nothing but department. Then business area nothing but branch. Then company code. Company code is nothing but one particular business related. Particular business related name is called a company code. So and other than chart of accounts. So these four are very important elements for the FI module. So functional, I already discussed functional area is nothing but like HR department, marketing department. These are all comes under the functional areas. Then business area. For example, our company started on business like I'm telling one example. Birla Group, Birla Supermarket, for example. So Birla Supermarket business established in Nellore as well as Hyderabad, Bangalore in different types of areas. So each and every area is called as a business area. So then company code. Company code is nothing but I already explained. Company code nothing but Birla Group started on supermarket. So that is called as a Birla Supermarket is a company code. So then chart of account. So chart of accounts is the very, very most important for each and every business organization for in SAP FICO. Chart of accounts is doing the chart of accounts configurations and everything done by the company code level only. So then the third question, what is the best way to manage the transaction from different business lines within the company? So different business lines is nothing but different type of different types of business in particular group of company. So ఒక కంపెనీ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ అంటే ఒక టాటా గ్రూప్ అనుకున్నాం. టాటా గ్రూప్ లో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ చేస్తారు టాటా గ్రూప్ లో. సో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్స్ కి సంబంధించి బిజినెస్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ అండర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్స్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్క బిజినెస్ కి సంబంధించి ఒక కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ వే టు మేనేజ్ ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఫ్రమ్ డిఫరెంట్ బిజినెస్ లైన్స్? Business lines is nothing but different types of business in company. Company means group of company. So the best way to create the business area, you can also create the different company codes for each business line. So here each business lines is means, for example, we can take Tata Group. Tata Group, under the Tata Group started the different types of business. So different types of business is called as a different types of business lines. So here each and every business line we need to create one company code. Based on the company code only we can manage the transactions. So this purpose we are using the different company codes. Then what is the function? What is the function of company code in SAP? So the company code, the company code is responsible for generating the financial statements like profit and loss account statement, balance sheet, and so here, what is the function of company code? So company code ని క్రియేట్ చేసిన వల్ల మేజర్ యూజ్ ఏమిటి అనేది. సో దాని యొక్క మేజర్ దాన్ని కంపెనీ కోడ్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది ప్రాసెస్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాని నుంచి వచ్చేటువంటి మేజర్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏంటంటే వీ కెన్ జనరేట్ ద రిపోర్ట్స్, వీ కెన్ వ్యూ ద రిపోర్ట్స్ లైక్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ యాజ్ వెల్ as balance sheet, like other trading account, vendor wise reports. Each and every data will generate only when we can create the company code. Then only we can generate the reports. Without company code, we cannot post single entry. So this is the main function of the company code. So what is the use of financial statement versions? So first of all, let me I'll explain financial statement version. So financial statement version is a nothing but financial reports of the particular company under the particular company code. So here, first of all, what is the meaning of financial statement version? So compared to other SAP softwares like Tally is one of the ERP, and compared to other QuickBooks and Salesforce, timesheets, there are number of softwares available. There are a number of ERP softwares available in market. But compared to SAP, so like for example, we can take Tally. So in Tally, we can create, for example, Tally. Compared to Tally, in Tally we can create one GL account as well as we can post one GL entry. So then automatically it will be displayed in the balance. It will be displayed reflected in the balance sheet as well as financial statement, profit and loss account, and profit and loss account. Each and every statement, the transaction it will be displayed profit and loss account as well as our balance sheet. But compared to here, if we can post the document, it cannot be displayed the financial balance sheet and profit and loss account. Here, there is no auto free defined in balance sheet formats as well as profit and loss account formats is not available yet, not at all available in SAP. But here, we only create the financial statement version. Here, version means we need to create the profit and loss account format and balance sheet format based on the client requirement. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ఆన్ సైట్ లో వర్క్ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత బేస్డ్ ఆన్ క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బేస్ చేసుకొని మనము ఈ జిఎల్ అన్నింటిని క్రియేట్ చేసి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద జిఎల్ గ్రూప్స్ బేస్ చేసుకుని నెంబర్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం యాజ్ వెల్ ద జిఎల్ గ్రూప్స్ కమ్స్ అండర్ ద which groups which groups go under the GL accounts comes with the which group. Then only we can create based on the GL groups we can create the profit and loss account as well as balance sheet. So after creating the balance sheet and profit and loss, each and everything based on the GL group, then only we can view the reports. So that is called as a financial statement versions. So one simple example, financial statement version is nothing but we can create the profit and loss account, balance sheet, each and everything. We will create the based on client requirement compared to other SAP, like compared to Tally, the financial statements, so like profit and loss account, balance sheet, it will be automatically predefined softwares in predefined. But here we only create the financial statements. So then what is the significance of financial statement in which business in SAP FICO? So here, what is the significance of financial statements within the business in SAP? So the answer is that a financial statement helps the managing the company financial assets. So this one also very very important question here. SAP FICO interviews. So here the answer is a financial statement helps manage the company financial assets. So creating and managing the financial statement and records allow to create the data that you can use later to plan the further to decide the investments to company. So based on the financial statement బేస్ చేసుకొని ఒక కంపెనీ యొక్క ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ ని లైక్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ అయితే మీ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్లు అయితే ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ లో పర్టికులర్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ పర్టికులర్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ మొత్తాన్ని కలిపి టోటల్ హౌ మచ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్, హౌ మచ్ ఇన్కమ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి జనరేటెడ్, యాజ్ వెల్ as how much amount, how many current liabilities, how many current assets, so how many long-term loans, short-term loans, so how many fixed assets, how many secured loans, how many unsecured loans. So these are all comes under the balance sheet. It will be displayed on the particular company balance sheet. So based on the balance sheet only, the company will decide to plan investment further company investment to further establishments or anything. So what is the purpose of document type? So document type is nothing but we already explained. Document type is in SAP we are divided into different types of documents. So like SA document is me general ledger document, and KA document, KA document, KZ document, KA document, DZ document, DR document. So these are all comes into like vendor invoice document, vendor written document. So then asset accounting document. What are these are all comes under these are all document we can call it as a document type. So simply the main purpose of document type as follows: it helps to define the documents number range. It enables the controlling the type of accounts posted, like vendors, assets, customer, normal GL accounts, more etc. Reversal entries, whatever the documents we can use the essay document. In simply based on the document type, we can based on the document type, we will go to the SAP using with the FBN1T code, and we'll decide and create the document number range. So after that we can create the number range. Then only we can generate the document. We can post the document. Or we can post the documents. So these purpose we are using the document type. So simply document type is a nothing but let's say document, document, KJ document, different types of document transactions related. We can use a short form of document type. So these are called as a document type. So those are the number of documents available in SAP. Particularly FICO, we are using almost 6 to 7 type of important documents. Those are SA document and KR document, KJ document, DR document, DZ document, as well as asset document. So these are all comes under the FICO important document type. So then what is the use of account receivable? So what is the use of account receivable? So first of all, మనం accounts receivable అంటే తెలుసుకోవాలి. For example, accounts receivable is nothing but to be collected from our accounts receivable అనేది డీల్ చేసింది. Customers accounting data. So కస్టమర్‌కి సంబంధించి మన కస్టమర్ దగ్గర నుంచి మనకి ఎంత డేటా మనకి ఎంత అమౌంట్ రావాలి. సో, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ సంబంధించి మనకు అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్ కింద వస్తుంది. సో, ఆల్ పోస్టింగ్స్ ఇన్ అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్ ఆర్ డైరెక్ట్‌లీ రికార్డెడ్ ఇన్ ద జనరల్ లెడ్జర్. సో, అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్‌కి సంబంధించి ఏ పోస్ట్ అయినా మనం డైరెక్ట్‌గా జనరల్ లెడ్జర్‌లోకెళ్ళి ఎంట్రీ పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. So then 59th question. Explain the relationship between the company code and controlling area in SAP FSU. So a controlling area in SAP can contain one or more company codes. A controlling area can contain one or more company codes. These company codes use the same operative chart of accounts of the controlling area. A single company code can be assigned a controlling area while a control area can contain multiple company code assignment. So here, company code ante manaki what is company code? We know what is the meaning of company code. So controlling area is nothing but, for example, each and every company code లో, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ న్యూ ఎంప్లాయ్ జాయిన్ అవుతాడు. సో ఈ న్యూ ఎంప్లాయ్ జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత కంపెనీ కోడ్ కి సంబంధించి జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత మనకి ఏమైనా ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ చేయాలన్నా కానీ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ నీడ్ టు అసైన్ ద ఎంప్లాయీకి సంబంధించి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ ఎంప్లాయీకి సంబంధించి ఐ మీన్ ఆ ఎంప్లాయీకి సంబంధించి మనం కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియాని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఈ కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఒక ఎంప్లాయీకి సంబంధించి ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ ఒక కంపెనీలో ఒక ఎంప్లాయీ జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. సో గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీలో. సో అతనికి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని ఒక 3 ఆర్ 4, 5-10 కంపెనీస్‌కి సంబంధించి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్‌ని మేనేజింగ్ అండ్ మానిటరింగ్ చేసే రైట్స్ అతనికివ్వాలి. సో అతనికేం చేస్తారు? సింగిల్ యూజర్‌తో సింగిల్ యూజర్‌కి ఐ మీన్ సింగిల్ క్రెడిట్ కంట్రోల్ ఏరియాతో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్స్. సో ఒక 4, 5 ఈవెన్ 10 మోర్ దెన్ 10 ప్లస్ కంపెనీ కోడ్‌లకి సంబంధించి అతను మానిటరింగ్ చేసేదానికి అతను సింగిల్ యూజర్ అయినతో సింగిల్ కంట్రోల్ ఏరియాతో డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్‌లని మానిటరింగ్ చేస్తాడు. సో హియర్ వన్ కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా కెన్ కంటైన్ మల్టిపుల్ కంపెనీ కోడ్స్ అసైన్‌మెంట్స్. సో ఒక కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా ఒక పర్సన్‌కి ఇచ్చేటువంటి కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా ఆప్షన్‌ని ఆ పర్సన్‌కి ఆ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీలో ఉండేటువంటి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీస్‌కి అసైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో బట్ ఏ సింగిల్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ కెన్ బి అసైన్డ్ వన్ కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా. సో ఒక కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా ఒక పర్సన్‌కి ఉండే కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా ఆప్షన్‌ని ఆ పర్సన్‌కి డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్స్‌కి అసైన్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒక కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియాని ఒక కంపెనీ కోడ్‌కి ఒక కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా మాత్రమే వి నీడ్ టు అసైన్. ఆహ్, ఒక కంపెనీ కోడ్‌కి ఒక కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా మాత్రం వి నీడ్ టు అసైన్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. సో దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద జీఆర్ అండ్ ఐఆర్ క్లియరింగ్ అకౌంట్స్ ఇన్ ఎస్ఏపి? So GR is goods received. IR is invoice received. So GR and IR is the abbreviation for the goods received and invoice received. So a GR and IR is clearing account and intermin account. So the provision it made the goods are received in the legacy system, but the invoice is not goes to the accounting entry. So debiting the inventory and crediting the GR account. So then go for another question. What are the internal orders in SAP FICO? I'm sorry. Then go for 61st question. 61 question. What are the different accounting group that can be created in accounts receivable, account payable, SAP FICO and accounts payable? So here, wait some time. So what are the different accounting groups that can be created in the accounts receivable? So accounts receivable అంటే customers సంబంధించి different accounts groups ఏమేమి క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము అండ్ అకౌంట్ పేయబుల్ కి సంబంధించి different account groups ఏమేమి క్రియేట్ చేస్తామో చెప్పాలి. So the following account groups can be created accounts receivable like domestic account groups and export customers. So here I can explain simply. What are the accounting groups can be created in the accounts receivable and accounts payable? So here accounting groups is nothing but accounting groups is nothing but like customer accounting groups as well as vendor accounting groups. So here I'm explaining accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is nothing but customers. So customer accounting group. So as well as accounts payable. Accounts payable is nothing but vendor account groups. So customer and vendor accounts groups. There are different types of groups available. So like for example, you can take customer accounts receivable. So accounts receivable customers. So at the time of customer groups creation, we need to create a domestic customer group, international customer group, as well as one-time customer group. So these three types of accounts group we need to create. At the same time, as well as accounts payable, also we need to create a domestic vendor account group, international vendor account group, one-time account group. So as per SAP terminology, domestic means within the country. Within the country, those who are those who are interacting with our company like customers or vendors. So these customers and vendors comes under the domestic customers. So then export customer means international customers. So export customer within the export customer means those those who are having our company to the customers and vendors without those who are dealing with our company like the people can the people interact from other than India. So like other foreign countries. So these people purpose we need to create a domestic account, international account groups. So then one time account groups. For example, with our company, any customer or the vendor, they can for example with our company, any customer or vendor, they can made a transaction with a single time only. So these purpose we can create one-time vendor group, one-time accounting groups, one-time customer groups as well as one-time vendor groups. So this is the answer for that. What are the different accounting groups can be created in the accounts receivable and accounts payable? Simply you can well, in accounts payable and accounts created, we can create the three types of accounting groups. Those are in domestic, international, or one-time. Simply you can say. So then we go for 62 question. What are the internal orders in SAP FICO? Where can you see them? Where can you use them? So internal orders are used for the planning, collection, and setting the cost of internal tasks and jobs. They can also use it to track the cost. So in SAP FICO, what are the internal orders? So internal orders means we can automatically think about the internal orders means like FI is the external orders, CO is the internal orders. So in CO means cost controlling. So under the cost controlling, we can create under the cost controlling, it comes up like planning, collecting, and settling, collection, and settling the cost. The planning, collection, and reduce the cost, whatever the options available, or whatever the topics available in group or company for reducing the expenditure. So these are all comes under the CO. These are all comes under internal orders. So what is the use of accounts payable? How it's related to the GR? So accounts payable is used to managing recording the accounting data for all the vendor. So simply previously accounts receivable. What is the use of accounts receivable is nothing but customer. So in accounts receivable, it will be maintaining or controlling all the customers related data, how much amount to be paid, how much amount to be collected from the customers. So these are all comes under the accounts receivable. Now we are discussing about the accounts payable. So here accounts payable is nothing but to managing and recording the vendors master data, vendors data. So how much amount we need to pay, our vendors. How much worth of goods or service we need to collect from the vendors. These are all comes under the vendors master data. These are all related comes under the vendors accounts payable. Then what is the chart of depreciation? Then what is the chart of depreciation in asset accounting? What is the chart of what is the chart of depreciation in asset accounting? So then go for 64th question. What is the chart of depreciation in asset accounting? So the chart of depreciation is the highest node assigned to the company node. So it stores all the depreciation calculations. So here, a chart of depreciation is nothing but a chart of depreciation is used for it is used for the asset accounting purpose. So what are the assets like current assets, fixed assets? What are the current fixed assets as well as current assets in a particular group of company or company code? So every year and every financial year, we need to create the depreciation as well as appreciation to the particular assets. For example, we can buy one land and buildings. So within the 1 year, the land value will be the land value will be increased. So then we go for appreciation. At the same time, we'll buy one vehicle, like vehicles for our company purpose. So then after completion of 1 year, the vehicle value it will be automatically decreased. So these purpose we can use the depreciation. So these are all calculations comes under the chart of depreciation. So these are all comes under the chart of depreciation in asset accounting. So then what is the field status group? So field status group is used to control. So here I already explained the previous classes. Field status group is nothing but for example, we can post one document. So we can take essay document, general ledger document. So in general ledger document, we can post at the time of general ledger posting. So I mean, debit entry, I mean, debit ledger, credit ledger, as well as amount and debit, as well as amount and receipt number, receipt date, as well as receipt authorization, authorizing receipt signature. So these are all comes under that field status various. So for example, simply at the time of document posting, which field is required, which field is not required, we can decide it from the field status group. So here the field status group is confirmed to maintain the field status GL ledger account. So then what is the use of an accounting group? So accounting group defines GL accounts. Accounting group defines. So here, what is status of what is the field status group? So then here, what is the use of accounting group? So in accounting group defines the GL accounts. So in accounting group it determines the GL groups as well as vendors and vendors and customer master data. So it is used to control the data that has to be entered while creating a master record. So based on the accounting groups, we can create the GL ledgers, as well as customer ledgers, as well as vendor ledgers, whatever the ledgers we created based on the accounting groups only. So based on the accounting groups, for example, we can create one expenditure ledger. So electricity bill. So electricity bill is the administration expenditure. So before that, we already created administration group, and as well as we can mention one number for the administration group. So based on this administration number group, based on this accounting groups under the administration group, we can create the electricity bill GL account. So then what is the SAPF? What is the APP in SAP FICO? So this is the most important, very, very important question. So without APP, we cannot done the interview. So APP is the most important topic in SAP FICO. So simply I am explaining. APP abbreviation is automatic payment program. So it is a tool provided to the companies for paying their customers and vendors. It facilitates avoiding the mistakes while posting manually. So payments via APP are more feasible when there are more employees in the company. So, so I'm explaining briefly about that. So APP is nothing but automatic payment program. So for example, we can take one company. In company, we can receive n number of materials, n number of goods and services received from the vendors. So here in these situations, we can post the n number of invoices. So like vendor invoice posting using with the FB60 code. Will generated the n number of like more than 100 or more than 1,000 number of invoices generated. So now the company needs to pay the amount, like particular amount to the vendors regarding this good invoices, like regarding this raw material purchase purpose. So here APP is the beauty of the SAP. So you can use the APP. We can use before that APP configuration. It is very most important process. So if we can done each and every configuration under the APP process properly, then we can start the APP. So APP is using for we can clear n number of vendor invoices. So we can clear n number of vendor invoices at the time. So we at the time with accurate. So for example, మన కంపెనీ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ వెండర్స్ ఉంటారు. సో ఒక వెండర్ సంబంధించి 10 ఇన్వాయిస్, ఆ విధంగా ఒక 100 వెండర్స్ ఉంటారు. 100 వెండర్స్ సంబంధించి ఒక 1000 ఇన్వాయిస్ ని వీ నీడ్ టు క్లియర్. సో ఈ 1000 ఇన్వాయిస్ మనం క్లియర్ చేయాలి అని అంటే ద ఎంప్లాయీస్ విల్ టేక్ మోర్ టైమ్. సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వెండర్ కి సంబంధించి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు బిఫోర్ గా చెక్ చేసుకొని వన్ బై వన్ చేయాలి. బట్ కంపేర్ టు ఏపీపీ. సో బిఫోర్ ఏపీపీ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్, ఏపీపీ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈవెన్ కస్టమర్ కి అయితేమి వెండర్ కి అయితేమి ఏపీపీ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ లో ఒక ప్రాసెస్ స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ స్టెప్స్ అన్నిటిని వన్ బై వన్ మనం ప్రాసెస్ చేసి కంప్లీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏపీపీ వెండర్ కి సంబంధించి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ అన్ని చేసి వెండర్ అకౌంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని అప్డేట్ చేసుకొని ఇవన్నీ చేసిన తర్వాత మనం ఏపీపీని యూస్ చేసుకొని మనం సింగిల్ టైమ్ లో రన్ చేస్తే విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ లో మన మన గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీలో మన కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఆల్ వెండర్స్ కి మనం పే చేయాల్సినటువంటి టోటల్ అమౌంట్ విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ లో మన కంపెనీ యొక్క బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ నుంచి డెబిట్ అయ్యి వెండర్ యొక్క వెండర్ యొక్క బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ కి క్రెడిట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో based on this APP system. So this is the beauty of the SAP. So this is the most important topic, most important topic. So then another question, 68, 69. What are the cost and profit centers in controlling? So these are cost center, a component in organization added to the cost and directly added to the organization profit, such as marketing and customer service. So, as well as a business unit of company can either classified a profit center or cost center or investment center. So at the same time, profit center for managing the internal profit center is for managing the internal control. Dividing a company into a profit center enables delegating responsibility as decentralized units. So it is also allowed to treat the units as separate companies within the company. So then the final question 17. What are some most important tables in SAP FICO? SAP FICO tables. So table is nothing. So in SAP FICO help store the data on screen. Some important tables. సో ఒక మనకు రిపోర్ట్ జనరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకు అది స్క్రీన్ మీద డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. సో అది ఏంటంటే ఒక టేబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో కంపేర్ టు ఈసీసీలో రో వైజ్ ఉంటుంది, కంపేర్ టు న్యూ ఎస్ఫర్ హనాలో కాలం వైజ్ ఉంటుంది. సో బిఫోర్ దట్ టేబుల్ ఇన్ ఎస్ఏపి FICO helps stores the data on screen. Some important tables are SAP FICO as follows. Those are enterprise structure SAP table, as well as enterprise structure SAP table, then SAP FIGL tables and accounts receivable tables, and SAP accounts payable table, asset accounting tables, profit center accounting center. So these are all comes under the SAP FICO tables. So here table is nothing but to display the reports. To display the report for the particular general address reports, as well as customer reports, as well as vendor reports, as well as asset accounting reports, assets reports. So these are all comes under that report. These are all reports display on the table format. So thank you, Andy. Thank you so much for supporting my. Thank you so much for seeing my watching my videos, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also click on bell and also click to bell icon. So then only you can get each and every video what I uploaded. Thank you, Andy. Thank you so much.